Work-life balance. We think we know what that means, but let's take a closer look at one of those words in particular, the word balance. You see, the word balance is actually separated into two words, by and lanx, L-A-N-X. Lanx means plate, by means two. And so balance literally is trying to come to some sort of equilibrium of two separate plates. So the question is, what's on your plate? What are you juggling? What are you adding? And if we think about the word plates and as it relates to serving food, is what you're serving yourself a square meal? Do you have enough of the components of what makes us healthy as human beings, or are you overloaded in work and or laziness and or fun and or stress? Because if we have so many responsibilities and not enough leisure, or so much leisure that we're not getting anything done, there's no equilibrium between our two plates. We have no balance. And one of the best ways to achieve balance is by connecting with people that can help us sort, unpack, and organize what's really useful and what's just extra weight. Because at the end of the day, we all want to achieve a sense of balance.